How to delete PS4 account. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I just want to teach you guys how to delete your PS4 account. I'm just making this video because I know it's a lot of people out there who probably want to know how to delete an account after they had created one. You know, it's a bunch of people that probably just don't want the account anymore, or just want to delete it for whatever reason. This video is going to help you out. But before I get into this video, I want to let y'all know that I am doing a giveaway here on my YouTube channel. I always do giveaways on my YouTube channel, as a matter of fact. But you want to know what I'm giving away? I am giving away. This is what I give away. I give away free V-Bucks. As you can see, this card has not been scratched off. I give away free Xbox Live Gold codes. And I also give away free Roblox. Sorry about that. Free Roblox. If you're interested in this stuff, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the giveaways. Alright, now let's get into this video, man. As y'all can see, I'm on my Xbox One Pro console here. And you know, my gamer tag is the same name as my YouTube channel, like always. But yeah, let's get into the video. I'm not gonna waste too much of y'all time. So, how to delete PS4 account. The first thing you want to do, hold on guys, 1 second. Gotta answer this call here. No, not answer. Oh, it says delete. Okay. The first thing you want to do, guys, step number 1, write this down so that you won't forget it. Or do it as you're watching this video. But step number 1, go to settings. So that's the first thing you want to do, is go to your settings here on your PlayStation 1 console. I mean, PS4 console. Sorry about that. So to get to your settings, guys, all you're going to do is click this button here on your, in the middle of your PlayStation 4 controller. Let me show you. This button right here, you just click on it. So for example, if you was in Fortnite, you're just gonna click this button right here. Hold on. Wait a minute. What's going on? What? Why ain't they letting me out? Hold on, y'all. Y'all gotta be patient. There it is. Alright, so I clicked the button. Once you click that button, just go to settings. You go to settings by clicking up on the D-pad right here until you get to this little screen right here. Then you just go over it until you see settings. Settings will be right there. All right. Once you get to settings, click the X button. All right, now that you're on settings, this is step number 2. Step number 2 is very easy. Same thing. I mean, it's easy. All you gotta do on step number 2, guys, is select login setting from the menu. All right, so go to login setting, which is right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let me make sure that you guys can see that real good, because I know the screen is kind of zoomed out a little bit. But you go to login settings. Hopefully you guys can see that. All right. Once you click X on login settings, what you're gonna want to do, and this is step number 3, you're gonna want to select user management. So select user management, which is down here. Scroll to the bottom. It should be a setting here that says user management. You want to hit the X button right there on user management. All right. Sorry about that, guys. I got emails coming in while I'm trying to record this video. That's why I keep pausing. Okay, so now that you select the user management, select delete user, right? So you go here to delete user. And as you can see, I only have 1 user on this PlayStation 4 account. But if you got multiple users, just pick the one that you want to delete and then just click X on it. And really, that's all you have to do to delete a PlayStation 4 account. I'm not going to delete mine because I want to keep mine, but that's all you guys have to do. Just click X on the one that you want to delete. All right. So let me show you guys this again so that you don't get like confused or anything like that. Again, you're gonna simply come to the home screen here, and you can do that like if you're playing a game or something, you can do that by hitting this middle button. Come to the home screen. Once you get on the home screen, just go up, hit the up on your D-pad, and then you're just gonna go over to the right until you get to settings. All right, let's make sure that y'all see that real good. So once you get to settings, you just click X on settings. You scroll down to where'd it go? Account management. Let me scroll in so y'all can see that. Account management, and you're gonna simply go to hold on, which one did I do? I didn't go to account management. Is that right? Yeah, account management. Okay. Wait a minute. It's user management. Sorry guys, I wrote it down. I told you guys account management. It's user management. All right, so you go to settings. Let me do this over. Go to settings. Go to user management. Where is it at though? I don't see it. Login settings. That's what it is. Go to login settings. Sorry about that, guys. You go into login settings. Then once you go to login settings, you go to user management, which is right here. Sorry about that. I was reading my emails. All right, user management. You click user management, delete account, or you can create an account. It don't matter. So if you got like a new PlayStation or something, or you just want to get on your PlayStation and create an account, this is how you create it and delete it. All right. So you hit X on delete, and you just delete it right there. All right. I appreciate y'all for watching. Again, I gotta let me let y'all know again about these giveaways that I'll be doing on my channel here, because I got a giveaway coming up at the end of this month. I don't know, y'all let me know in the description box below which one would y'all rather get. You know, would you rather get a Roblox gift card, Xbox Live 3 months gold code, or Fortnite's V-Bucks card? And I also do Xbox gift cards as well. So let me know which one would you rather have. Put it in the comment box below. Subscribe to this channel if you don't want to miss out on any giveaways, because I do go live when I do my giveaways, and that's how you know that my giveaways are 100% authentic and 100% real, is because I go live when I do the giveaways. I could pick a random person, but I just think it'll be more authentic and more realistic if I just go live in front of you guys and like turn the card around and then just scratch the back of it off. That's how I do my giveaways. You know. Let's see what else. What am I leaving out here, man? Let me tell you guys everything. So for those of you who've been watching my channel for a while, y'all know that Grand Theft Auto 6 is supposed to be dropping. They had like, you know, had some news saying that it was going to be coming out. So whenever that drops, I'm definitely going to purchase that. And also, I'm still waiting on the PlayStation 5 to come out, but that's going to probably be sometime in 2020. So just stick around. You guys want to see videos of that. But yeah, let me show y'all this one more time before I leave here, you know, because you want to make sure you guys get it. So to delete your account, you're just going to go to settings. Do this one more time with you guys, just to make sure that everybody gets it. You go to settings. Once you go to settings, you go to where is it? Login settings. Login settings. Once you click, wait a minute, is it login settings? Oh, I keep messing up. Oh yeah, it is login settings. Okay, user management. That's the next one. Once you go to user management, delete account right here. Delete user. All right, or you can also create a user. All right, guys. I ain't gonna make this video long. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it at that. Again, if you guys are interested in getting one of these, let me know which one you guys think I should give away, because I'm doing a giveaway at the end of this month. So tune in for that. Let me know which one that you want, and if y'all have any questions about, you know, PlayStation in general or anything like that, just let me know. Check the description for any links, because I may have, you know, a link in the description. So check that. Give this video a thumbs up if you can. It will help the channel grow. And I appreciate y'all for watching.